Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Oh my goodness, you guys. I've been saying this for a while. I haven't gone to Dollar Tree in 2 months. I went today. Today is December 4th. And yeah. So quick update. Hubby had his surgery yesterday and everything went well. So he's in full recovery now and looks like he's doing good. So I have a quick haul. I had to run out and do some errands today. So let's start. I went to Walmart too because of course I had to get some groceries and things like that. So I'll share a little haul with you all from Walmart. Anyway, I grabbed Dollar Tree has these 4-piece Christmas gift boxes. And there's 4 of them in here. And I don't know what the other patterns are, but they look pretty cute. I mean, you know, going off of these two, it doesn't seem too bad. I also grabbed 2 of the Santa in the Red Truck gift tissue. There's Santa, there's a reindeer, there's Frosty or Snowman. There was another design, but I didn't grab it. I just grabbed these 2 because, you guys, it's Friday and Dollar Tree and Walmart are both really busy. Okay. I hardly find these bags at Dollar Tree. These are the vacuum storage bags. And when I finally saw these, I grabbed all of it. And there were only 4. So these are the large size storage bags. These are great for when you're traveling and you got like winter stuff, winter clothes, or also for, you know, just the regular storage. So I got 4 of these and I think those would be awesome. I got this hand soap. They changed the label. I remember it's Clover something with a K brand that they carried, but now it's Bath and Beauty. This is just their lemon scented hand soap. I needed a refill and I like this in the kitchen with the lemon, so I just grabbed 1. I also grabbed some White Rain 3-in-1 for my son, and this is a large size. This is 18 fluid ounces, so I grabbed 2 of those for him, and he likes these. He likes this all-in-one, so he doesn't have to mess with like soap and shampoo. So I got him those. Let's go to this bag. It is winter and it is moisture here in the old military housing, so I grabbed a moisture eliminator. I'm going to give that a try in our storage areas downstairs. Hopefully you could get that smell, you know. Usually you get that moisture smell in your storage room, so I figured I'd grab some of those and give it a shot. I grabbed some tape because I'm going to need it for Christmas, wrapping gifts. Let's see. So Christmas, I also grabbed batteries for whatever, if anything, needs batteries. We will have it. I bought them in AA and AAA, so I got like 3 in the AAA, 3 in the AA, and I'm using these in like the little lanterns that we buy, the little lights that we all haul. So I got a few of those for $1. You can't beat it, right? If it dies, it dies. It's only $1. I also grabbed my husband some Lemonhead candy canes. He's gonna love this. Those are his favorite candy, Lemonheads. Also saw on Instagram, I think I saw Chiquita share it first. These are the glass pen and it comes with ink. I wanted to give this a try and I'll probably go on Instagram Live and check it out with you all. Probably a little later. And then this, oh, I bought another size gift box. These are a little more square, but this is also a 4-piece. It's a 8x6. Oh, that'd be cute to make little Christmas daily albums. So we'll see what those look like in a few. Also grabbed some boxes of lemon heads. These go really fast in my Dollar Tree, so I bought six of them for my husband. That's his favorite. I also found the gumball machines. So they come in different colors, red, blue, and green. So I got the 3 different colors, but I grabbed doubles of them. So if I want to, I can go ahead and empty out the gum and spray paint them the colors that I really want. I also found these. There were other designs, but I picked these 2, or actually it's the same. But these are great stocking stuffers. They're the little mermaid tail and a little rose, or succulent, I guess. Oh, I didn't look at it closely. So that's a no-go for this one. I'll probably keep that one. Great stocking stuffer. And the last thing I grabbed at Dollar Tree, oh yeah, and I forgot, I bought a poster board because I used up all my poster board, or foam board. I bought these. There's 10 to a pack. I didn't even see that it was open, but it's okay. I bought 4 bags of that. And what I will use that for is for my sequins and, you know, loose, open sequin mixes. It's a better way to store it. So I saw Ada do that, Ada the Paper Treasury. So, yeah, that is what I got. The next thing I got those were all from Dollar Tree. Now I have Walmart. I just grabbed a few balloon inflatables, the numbers. And this is for my daughter's birthday. And then the only other thing I bought was a confetti glitter. And look at this, guys. Look at that mix in there. Can you see all the shapes that are in there? It's going to be so fun for spring and Valentine's and all that stuff. So that's a great find for me. You guys, I had bought this from Walmart. This next bag that I'm going to share with you, I bought this a while ago. Totally forgot that it was in my car. I bought a brush, and this one is the Goody brush at Walmart. It's for like fine hair and whatever, but it's also good to like, what is it called? Shine your hair? Shine on. Just make it shine, I guess. I don't know how else to say it, but yeah, I got that. I also got the mini ornaments, so I grabbed these. Everybody's used these on dankles and stuff. I got the little animal balloons, and these are $1.98. I got the hot air balloons, so super pretty. I got the, what are these? Just geometric ornaments, like a diamond shape. I'm hoping they go on clearance. Let me grab them if they last that long. I also grabbed these little reindeer wearing sweaters. It's a little tangled up, but it looks like that. Isn't he cute? I thought he was so cute. And then I just got 2 strands of the mini light bulb garland. It's pink and gold, or gold and pink, or whatever. But I just grabbed 2 of those. So pretty. Look at that. Look at how bright that is. So heavy, guys. So that's it for my haul, guys. Thank you all for watching. Hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please subscribe, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Join the family. So I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.